Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS battery animation. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS battery animation. Inside the body, we want to add a div with class name battery. Inside this, we want to create another div with class name box. Next, create a span, copy this and paste it 4 times. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 vh, width 100% and background color will be #262626ff. Save the file, refresh. The background color is okay now. Let's start to style our class battery. Inside this, display flex, flex direction will be column, justify content is center, align item center and position is relative, height 300 pixel and width is 150 pixel, border 5 pixel solid and color is white, border radius will be 10 pixel and box shadow 1 pixel 60 pixel and color is black. Save the file, refresh. That is okay now. Next, we want to style our class box. Inside this, position will be absolute, height 30 pixel, width 50 pixel and bottom will be 100%. Background color is white. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the battery's layout is okay. Next, start to style our span. Inside this, height 20%, width 95% and margin 5 pixel, border radius 10 pixel and we wanted animation name will be anim 4 second linear infinity. Next, we want to create class battery after. Inside this, content, display block and position is absolute, height 100% and width 95%, top will be 0 and background color is #262626ff. Next, we want to create an animation, battery 4 second linear infinity. Let's start to create our animation. Keyframes and animation name is anim. Inside this, 0%, background color will be red. Copy this and paste it 3 times. We want to change this 25% and this will be orange 50% and yellow 100% and this will be lime green. Copy this animation and paste it 1 time. The animation name will be battery. Remove this 0% inside this. Height will be 100%. Copy this and paste it 5 times. We want to change this 20% and height will be 80%, 40%, and this will be 60%, and this is 40%, 80, and this will be 20%, 100%, and this will be 0%. Save the file, refresh. The battery animation is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.